Well, hello, beautiful friends. It's Lynette and Nikki here again today, and we're in the front yard garden. I want to get some dahlias planted today, and I want to explain a little bit of dahlia care to you guys. I planted this beautiful one. It's an emery paw, really big dinner plate dahlia. And what dinner plate means is that it's supposed to get as big as a small dinner plate, so about that big. I had an order placed and I forgot to order it, so I had to go to Home Depot to get my dahlias, and boy, it did not disappoint, you guys. So if you guys need some really pretty dahlias, they had a lot, and they had a ton of different varieties and different, like the cactus style, the pom-pom, the dinner plate, just your normal dahlias, short dahlias, tall dahlias. They had everything. Home Depot. Looking for dahlias. Got some really cool trees. And all kind of shrubs here. And look at that pretty rose. Spireas. Nine bark. They have all kind of roses. They have proven winter roses. Ooh, look at that pretty color. That's so pretty. That is Sun Norita. I love these little petite roses, but I planted 2 of them and neither one of them made it this year. Pretty white rose. Oh, so easy. And they are oh so easy. Ooh, $19.99 for an azalea. You might have to get one of those. They got a lot of their wave petunias in. Looks like $5.98. Or $12.98 for the smaller 6-pack. Wow, look how beautiful those colors are. More annuals. I think these are, lantana. I love lantana. Do you guys? Got some zinnias. Some geraniums. Wow, these are so pretty. I might have to get one of these zinnias. I think that's just so pretty. Oh, that's a dahlia. Beautiful marigolds. Some more dahlias here. And more zinnias up top. Some lilies. I thought this was adorable. $39.95. And then we have a more rounded one here. Okay, this is the dahlia selection here at Home Depot. The yellow one is very pretty. Okay, $9.98 for 2. I don't like stripy ones. Oh, that one's kind of pretty with the green. And then look at these. Yep, this is what I love. That color, see? Okay, we're gonna get 3 bulbs for $14.98. or tubers, I should say. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna get these dahlias here. And I don't know if you guys do this or not, but what I'm gonna do is look in this bag, okay? And what I wanna do is, okay, see, can you guys see? Sorry, I'm trying to look for it as I'm talking. Okay, do you guys see this little piece of plant growing right there? That's what I look for. That peachy color is really, really pretty. Two different kind of oranges there. I sort of like this one. I'm leaning toward this one too. We have red. Look at this peony. The yellow is really pretty. Okay, this is what I landed on. So I'm gonna get these here. They are the pom-pom mix. You get 2 bulbs for $10.98. And then I'm gonna get this mix here. It is the decorative pastel mix. 3 bulbs for $14.98. I'm on the fence on this one. I usually don't like that stripey, but I sort of think it's pretty. And then I love this one. Okay, I found a whole bunch more. So this is the Figaro brand. And man, these look so pretty. Look at that peony. Okay, I really like this. You get 2 dahlias here. And if I remember good from last year, I think you get 1 of each, which I really like that, because when you buy a mix, you don't know what color you're getting. These are pretty. Oh man, there's so many, you guys. I sort of like that mix there. If you need dahlias, come to Home Depot, although my friend said they were 50% off last week and now they're not. Okay, I found some more that I love. I thought that one was really, really pretty. So I think I'm gonna get that one for sure. And I love this one. I think this one's gonna go back. I'm on the fence on it. Okay, let me show you my dahlias that I chose from the Home Depot. The first one actually came from Strader's Garden Center, and it is a dinner plate dahlia called Emery Hall. So the dinner plate's going to get really big, probably 6 to 8 inches wide, and they are gorgeous. Okay, so the next one I chose was a dahlia called Go-Go Blend, and you can see it has this is just sort of your normal dahlia. It has some burgundies, some peaches, and some pinks. And then I wanted to throw a little yellow in there, so I got a Dahlia pastel blend. Can you tell I love pink, you guys? And then this is the pom-pom type of a dahlia, and I just think they're adorable. And for the very last one, I got a dahlia called Stardust. The first one I want to plant is the Go-Go Blend. So it's this one here. And this one's gonna only get 24 to 32 inches tall. And it's gonna bloom for you most of the summer and really into fall, like very late fall for me. And you do not want to plant these too deep. I'm going to show you real quick how I plant my dahlia tubers. So easy breezy, let's plant. Okay, so I just planted a really deep hole. And the reason I do that is so that when the dahlia tubers start growing their roots, they won't have to fight to get through the dirt. Okay, so here's your bag of dahlias. And what you're gonna look for. Okay, so I try when I buy my dahlias to find one that already has a little piece of a growth coming off of it. And then all you have to do is stick this down in the hole, and you don't want to do it very deep. So I'm going to put more dirt down in there, put your dahlia there, and then I like to leave this little guy above the dirt. I'm going to do this, and then we're going to leave this little guy right there above the dirt so that it can get a really good start. Okay, so what's next is this dahlia. It's the very beautiful pink one. I'm gonna do one in the backyard and I'm gonna do one in my front. And the height on this one is 40 to 44 inches tall. And see how it says you only wanna go about 1 inch deep? Don't plant your dahlia tubers too deep, you guys. And this is gonna bring you so many beautiful blooms. I mean, I don't know. I have so many favorite flowers, but dahlias are for sure at the top of that. Okay, so this is that big pink dahlia, and this is looking great. If you can see closely, there's some more little roots or, you know, dahlia buds wanting to come off there. And then this is your neck here. And then these are your tubers. They almost look like potatoes. But you want this little guy kind of shooting up. So I'll probably plant this going a little sideways here. And see the spot right there by the fence? I think that's where I want this. Put a little bit of dirt down in there and have your little piece that's growing kind of shooting up to the sky. Very, very important. After you get your dahlia tubers planted, you've got to get them watered. And those dahlia tubers looked really dry, so it's okay. They'll be fine. I think I'm also going to, after I get these watered in, I'm gonna go and get a popsicle stick and put it there so I know I planted something there, because I have an ideal of planting a whole lot of stuff in this bed. Plus I gotta see those little seedlings coming up. I don't know if you can see those, but I planted a whole bunch of seeds in this bed, so I'm having to tiptoe as I'm walking through here. This is my little seedling. Here's one too. The popsicle stick right about here, so that I know, oh no, right about here, so that I know I have a dahlia there. I think I forgot to tell you, be prepared to stake your dahlia. Thank you guys for joining me here at Garden 1842 and Home for our dahlia video. I hope that this helped you guys to be more comfortable with dahlias, because I know a lot of people are a little afraid of planting them, and they're so easy, and they're so easy to grow. You guys gotta get a dahlia in your life and go find your passion today.